Laundry lovers, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things laundry. Today there is something super exciting for you. We're diving into the world of Comfort Antibacterial Fabric Conditioner 860 ml. This isn't just any fabric conditioner, folks. It's a game changer. First off, let's talk softness. Comfort Antibacterial Fabric Conditioner leaves your clothes incredibly soft and smooth. Say goodbye to scratchy fabrics and hello to luxurious comfort. But that's not all. It also adds an amazing shine to your clothes, making them look as good as new. And let's not forget the freshness. This fabric conditioner ensures that your clothes stay fresh for a long time. No more worrying about musty smells. Plus, with its antibacterial properties, it keeps your clothes hygienic, which is so important today. Now, you might be wondering about the Super Saver Offer Pack. Well, it's not just about getting more product for your money. It's about getting a high-quality product that delivers results every single time. You get 860 ml of this fantastic conditioner, which means more washes and more savings. If you're curious and want to grab this amazing deal, check the video description for the link to buy Comfort Antibacterial Fabric Conditioner at the best price offer. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. So, laundry enthusiasts, if you're looking to elevate your laundry game, the Comfort Antibacterial Fabric Conditioner is the way to go. Softness, shine, long-lasting freshness, and antibacterial protection. What more could you ask for? Now, before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends and family, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Make sure to check the description below for the link before you leave. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more laundry tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day every day. Stay blessed, everyone.